Patio House, a home designed by OOAK Architects on the island of Karpathos, Greece. Spanning 200 square meters, this house is not just a residence but a sanctuary that seamlessly integrates with the dramatic landscape of the Aegean Sea. Let's dive into its unique design, which merges modern architecture with the untouched beauty of nature. The owners of this house, a French-Swedish couple, had been searching for the perfect location to enjoy windsurfing in Greece. After a long search, they found a rocky plot with open views of the Aegean Sea and the windsurfer-filled Afiarti beach. The main challenge in designing this house was how to place a building without disrupting the raw and wild character of the landscape. OOAK Architects took an approach where the house does not try to mimic the landscape but rather sits as an object that harmonizes with its surroundings. This concept draws inspiration from how a natural shell can merge with rocks over time, forming a balanced unity. Patio House is designed as a contrasting element that still complements the beauty of the natural environment. This approach creates harmony between human habitation and nature, allowing the house to become part of the landscape's natural evolution without dominating its original beauty. The site features two natural plateaus, one higher and one lower. To maximize views and bring residents closer to the sea, the house extends beyond the higher plateau, creating a striking cantilever effect. From the inside, residents experience the sensation of floating over the sea, while from the outside, the design further highlights the contrast between the man-made structure and the natural surroundings. The house is designed as a single-story structure centered around an inner patio, creating a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces. Various voids within the structure allow natural light to enter and connect the house with a large terrace on the lower plateau. Additionally, part of the volume is elevated to accommodate the site's height differences, creating a private wing for guests. With an open layout, key spaces such as the living room, dining area, and master bedroom have direct access to sea views. Semi-open corridors are used to enhance natural ventilation and create a visual connection between the house's interior and the surrounding landscape. These areas are also designed to shield against the strong Carpathian winds, ensuring maximum comfort for residents. The main structure of the house is built from cast-in-place reinforced concrete. The cantilevered section is supported by a Verandil truss system, ensuring both stability and a minimalist aesthetic. The exposed concrete exterior contrasts with the soft and bright interior. The interior design blends traditional Carpathian architecture with Scandinavian-style furniture. A diverse material palette, including natural wood, local stone, and soft-textured fabrics, creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. Neutral tones dominate the interior, allowing natural light from the large windows to enhance the sense of openness and tranquility. Windows of varying sizes are strategically placed to frame stunning views of the sea and landscape, turning every corner of the house into a unique visual experience. Additionally, the lighting system from Delta Light creates a warm ambience at night, highlighting the natural textures of the materials used. In its design, Patio House also prioritizes sustainability. The strategic placement of openings allows for optimal natural ventilation, reducing the need for air conditioning. The use of local materials such as stone and wood helps minimize the construction's carbon footprint, while energy-efficient lighting from Delta Light ensures reduced electricity consumption. Furthermore, the inner patio serves as a transitional space between the interior and exterior, helping to maintain natural thermal balance and keeping indoor temperatures comfortable year-round. The slightly extended roof also acts as a sunshade, preventing excessive heat buildup inside the house. Patio House is a perfect example of how architecture can engage with nature without disturbing it. By embracing the surrounding landscape, this house offers a unique living experience, allowing its residents to immerse themselves in the beauty of Greece from the comfort of a modern home. Thoughtful design elements not only create a stunning aesthetic but also enhance functionality and comfort. For anyone interested in architecture that harmonizes with nature, Patio House serves as an inspiring reference. This home proves that a balance between contemporary design and the natural environment can be achieved without compromising either aspect. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more home design inspirations on Unit 2. See you in the next video.